Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Got the 20th one for this week. It's Friday morning. This is Bulramen stir-fried ramen. Artificial spicy chicken flavor. Five minutes on the boil. Powder, sauce. So if you're thinking, hey, that kind of looks like something that starts with a bowl, it is. It's a bulldog knockoff. I mean, come on. But it's different. It's interesting. It's different. So yeah. So 5 minutes. It also wants you to save a half a cup of the water. Yeah, there it is. So what it wants is 8 spoons of water. Each spoon, you can debate me as much as you freaking want, alright? However, 1 spoon is, they're talking tablespoons. We're not talking anything else. But Korean spoons are a different size. Maybe some are, but we're talking spoons of water. 1, 2. You're gonna dilute it. It's not gonna be as spicy. Oh, shut up. 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, and that should be about 120 mils. It's not even close. It's like 90. $15 times 8 is 120, which is almost exactly a half a cup. Just a little more. Yeah, that was 120 mils. But yeah, I've had people debate me. No, blah, 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 you're going to dilute it. It's not going to be as good. I'm like, I have to go by what the manufacturer says to do. This isn't cook things the way I want to cook it because I think it'll taste better recipe time. Come on. They just can't take it. They get all crazy. But what do you do? Crazy people. But yeah, there's this one. I'll be doing one that's just a regular spicy. And there's one called Fire, and I'm guessing that's the 2X, and that I might do a mukbang of. It's hard for me to wrap my brain around the idea of doing a mukbang these days. It just doesn't seem like a really reasonable thing to do. But it could happen. It could. Probably won't anytime soon. But it could. We've got some basil. It's holy basil. I'll use some. Oh, look at that. So teeny tiny and wee. But yeah. Man, my wife's gonna go for the memorial for her grandfather. So she'll be gone on the 4th of July. And she'll be getting back, like, she'll be dead tired when she gets back on the 6th, which is our wedding anniversary, too. I don't want her to go, but I know she should and she has to. But, oh, I want to hang out. See, I actually like hanging out with my wife. It's nice. I enjoy her presence, her company, her beauty, her sharp, quick wit. Yes, I do enjoy my beautiful Californian wife. But she must go be with La Familia. Let's drain this puppy. Brr. Speaking of draining puppies, ours still is gone. This is a large serve. So we're gonna do just like it says. In bullock, generally they say add this water and then stir fry it. This does not. This shows it cooking in the pot in a little iconography. So this is gonna be a pretty well done up variety. I'm 99.99. In fact, I'm 100% sure I'm doing this right. So here's our. This might be a thickener. It might be a thick sauce. It smells like Kraft mac and cheese, though. And the last carbo I had that same scent, like identical. It's like, this is not right. This is a really thin sauce, too. It says it's on the mild end of the stick on the package, too. That smells pretty good. And then I've got that last egg. Oh, I won't use it in this because I'm going to let my daughter have it with her tonkatsu tonight. Sweet, because I really didn't think an egg would work in this. Okay, so this is supposed to be not violently spicy. Would I have done a mukbang of this before? Yeah, probably, but I am not going to today. But I will give it a good try. A good one. Noodle looks nice. I wonder who actually makes this, though. Cheers. Interesting. It's that cheese. It's so fake. There's our broth / sauce. So it says it's mild. I'm going to tell you right now, if I made this for my wife and I said, yeah, no, it's mild, she'd be like, that's not mild. I'm like, no, there's really nothing to it. It's mellow. Super mellow. Since it's, since I got a couple pieces of chashu all thawed out, and it's carbonara, I'm gonna add that in. I got more too. Sometimes I'll take out more than I need, and then it's like, well, what are you gonna do with it now? And I'll put it back in the freezer. But I think these both would have been their third ride back in the freezer, and I don't want to do that. So don't want it to lose cohesion, get funk. All right. A lot of sauce. I would say if you are not into the whole concept of saucy on your bokamyun thing, don't do that. Don't do what I did. Okay? Don't follow the directions. If I were gonna make this to eat, I would never. No. But see, that's the thing. I'm doing this for a review. This is my work. So if I was gonna have this recreationally, I would use maybe a 1/4 cup of liquid as opposed to a 1/2 cup. But I do like I don't like it, this stuff so dry that it like too much. There we go. That looks good. It doesn't have a garnish, but it's about to get more of one. Some seed. And some crushed red pepper. And God, the basil I got was just a little small. Just a little bow right on top. It's a little bow made of basil. Look at that. Like that. And I think we're good. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely not as hot as the Bulldog Carbo, but I think a lot of people would like that aspect. The noodle's good. It's not bad. I mean, yeah, I think you'll like it if you like this kind of thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me for the whole week. This is Friday, 4th review I've done of the day. It's beautiful, it's sunny, and yeah, that's it. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming back at you. I'll be doing reviews on Monday, probably Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday next week. 20 more of them coming right at your face. So, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Like, subscribe. Thanks for inviting me into your home. Have a good one, and bye-bye.